Do you have a child that is finding it difficult to read? If yes, then this video is for you. I'll be sharing with you the methods I use, simple methods I use to teach my children how to read at age 4. Hello beautiful people, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are good. This is the new Midway's channel. You're welcome. In this video today, I'll be doing something very different because we're currently on holiday. I have here with me my 4-year-old son. I want to be teaching him how to read by starting from the basics. I did this method with my first child and my second child, and they are doing well reading today. Okay, so in this video, I'll be teaching him how to read. That is, teaching him the letter sounds. Okay, a lot of people make the mistakes of teaching their child the letter names instead of the letter sounds, which is very, very wrong. They start by teaching the child A, B, C, D instead of teaching the child the letter sounds A, B, K, D. Okay, so in this video, I'll be teaching him this letter sound so that he will get familiar with it. So to make it easier for me, I make this. I make this for him, so to make it easy for him to learn how to read. After teaching him today, I'll place it on the wall so that anytime he wakes up in the morning, he just revise the sounds. For today's class, I'll make sure that he learns the sounds and he's able to recognize the sound. Because once he recognizes the sound, it will be very easy for me to move to the next class, which is blending the sounds. So for the sake of this video, let's move into learning the sounds, okay? The first letter sounds A. The second letter sound B. 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 This one sounds this sound D. 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 This sounds very good. So guys, let's go to the second line. G. 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 I. J. J. So guys, I'm done teaching him the letter sounds. I would want to know if he recognizes these sounds, because sounding it like this might be very easy for him, but recognizing each sound makes it more okay for me to know that he actually learns the sounds. So let's see. Maybe. What sound is this? D. No. B. 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 You see, this B and this D, they look alike, but they are not the same. This one has a pot belly. You see, this one has a pot belly. So that is why it is called what? B. 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 You see the pot belly? And this one also has a belly, but this one has a big buttocks. It has a big one. Okay, now let's see. This one is B. B. Okay, what sound is this?
G.
G. Very good. What sound is this?
J.
Wrong. What sound is this? What sound is this? What sound is this? J.
J.
J. What sound is this? Very good. What sound is this? Very good. What sound is this? Very good. What sound is this? High five. So this is how you're going to do it for your own child. Once the child is familiar with all the sounds, believe me, believe me, the child will learn how to read in no time. In no time. Once the child is able to learn the sounds of the alphabet, identify them, you can point each sound and tell the child to sound. What sound is this? What sound is this? What sound is that? Okay, so in today's class, what I did today was to teach him the sounds of the alphabet and also make sure that he recognizes them. Okay, thank you guys for clicking to watch this video. In our next class, we'll be doing more of blending two sounds together. Okay, from there we'll move into 3 letters and the rest. So if you get value from this video, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be seeing more of our videos. Also, click on the bell icon so you get notified anytime I post a new video. We're currently on summer holidays, and so this is an opportunity for you to help your child learn 1 or 2 things before school resumption. Thank you for clicking to watch. Subscribe to our channel, and as you do so,
subscribe to my mommy channel.
Thank you, my baby. Bye.